Welcome to Jazz Time. JazzTime.com is an online store that buys, sells, trades authentic luxury watches. We make these videos so our customers can easily choose the best watch for themselves in the comfort of their own home. If you like this watch and would like to purchase it at the lowest price anywhere online, click on the link in the description below to buy it at JazzTime.com. Today, I'm going to be reviewing the Cartier Santos-Dumont watch reference WGSA0021 in rose gold. I'm going to talk to you a little bit about it's where it stands in its a line and the bezel, the dial, the case, the bracelet, movement, try it on, and then give you my final thoughts. So let's start. Now, this of course is a Cartier. It is part of the Santos-Dumont line. Cartier, of course, makes many different subcategories or categories of watches. They make the Santos, which is what you see here. It has evolved many times over the last, 50 plus years. They make what else do they make? They make the Ballon Bleu or Ballon de Cartier, I guess you would call it now. They make the Santos. They make the Tank. They make the Pasha, the Ronde, and many others, actually. They make some skeleton watches. Anyways, so they make a lot of different variations and subcategories, but what we're going to focus on today is a Santos one. And why is a Santos one good? Well, there's not a lot of square watches out there. That's what makes this watch special. And Cartier, coming to mind, I don't think I know any other square watch other than maybe Bell and Ross, which I don't really put at the same level. I would say Cartier is quite several levels above the Bell and Ross. Okay, so for square watches, I believe Cartier is the only one that really does it and really does it well. Okay, so that's enough about the history, because I'm sure you can read it. Cartier has a long history, can't get into all of it. But anyways, let's talk about the watch itself now. Let's talk about the case. Now the case here is in rose gold, and I believe it looks quite nice in it. And what else I could say about this interestingly rose gold watch is take a look at the side profile of this watch. When you turn the watch on its side, look how thin it is. Now the case dimensions is 43 by 31 millimeters. That means 43 from top to bottom, going up and down. Okay, and it's a pretty good. It's not that small, and 31 going left to right. All right. Now the thickness, and just to give you some reference, a Richard Mille is 50 millimeters, and that's a really huge watch. So 43 going up and down. It's a nice gentleman's size. It's not terribly big, but it's actually not terribly small either. Okay, and let me turn it on its side for you for the thickness. Now, what is pretty cool about this watch is it has a thickness of just 7.3 millimeters. To give you some reference, a Datejust is 12 millimeters. Anything less than 10 is considered thin. Anything less than 8 is ultra thin. This is 7.3. Now, you might be wondering, how did they manage to put it at 7.3 millimeters? Well, the reason is actually because it's a quartz watch. So it being a quartz watch, meaning it has a battery, it's not mechanically wound. So it being a quartz watch, it can use a super thin movement. And why would that be good? Well, it can fit under the suit cuff. It seems very seamless, and it's in that way, it's very nice. And in fact, as I said, because 43.5, it can actually be worn by both a man or a woman. And this square design is a very Art Deco cool design. It can actually be worn by either. It still look very cool. Okay, now that's the case. Let's talk about the bezel. The bezel, of course, it's similar to some of the other watches of this era. If you think about the Royal Oak, they have a very similar bezel with like screws that are screwing into it. Of course, this is a square. The Royal Oak is a octagon, but it has that similar look, and it has a high polish on it, which also looks quite nice. Okay, let's talk about the dial. The dial is your classic Cartier dial where it has Roman numerals. They love to do Roman numerals by it, and I'm not exactly sure, but I'm sure it has something to do with their heritage or class or something like that. But I really like it. I like it with its Roman numerals. To me, it looks much better. And then, okay, no, I already talked to you about the movement. I told you it's a quartz movement. Let's talk about the strap. Strap is a leather strap. I also really like the watch on a leather strap. I think it adds class. Anytime you have gold and a leather strap, it looks great. And it has this pin buckle, which I also actually like. And the reason I like it is because it's more secure. And the strap itself, you can, Cartier was one of the first companies to do this. It's actually a quick release. You can release it here with these little pin buckles. And or pins, and you can change the strap as if they get old, or you just don't want to have a leather strap. Okay, now let's try this watch on my wrist. and give my thoughts. I'm 6 foot tall, 200 pounds, and I have 7.5 inch wrist. I think the watch looks fantastic. I think for a man who wants a sports watch, or a lady who wants a kind of a little bit larger of a watch, but it's not a sports watch. Sorry, I meant dress watch. You know, and it has a lot of class. It's beautiful, and it's not that expensive. It has a retail price of $13,000. We're selling it way less at jazztime.com. You can find out by clicking on the description below. So if you want to buy it, please go to jazztime.com.
If you want to find out more about the watch you just saw in the video, you can just click below on Show More to see the full description. Then you can check the link next to model as seen in video, click on it, and you will get to the proper page where you can see all the details. If you're watching on a mobile phone, you have to click on the arrow down on the right hand side below the video to see the full description. If you like this video, please give us a thumbs up. If you would like to share this video with your friends, you can use the share button below and share it on any platform you like. If you have questions, constructive feedback, want to tell us about some mistakes or misspeaks, just write a comment below. If you want to see more videos like this, you should subscribe to our channel and visit our channel page where you can find all the videos. And if you're interested in a specific watch brand, you can check out our playlists. If you want to check the price for a watch or want to buy one, remember at jazztime.com you always get a steep discount, so you should check the prices with us. If you want to know the price for a specific watch, just go to Google, type in JazzTime, plus the brand, model, and the details you're interested in, and Google will find the right page for you. Thank you for watching.